There's some big news coming in. The Christmas fervour turns sour in different parts of India. Reports coming in of vandalism and miscreants creating ruckus received from Haryana, Karnataka. In Haryana's Ambala, a statue of Jesus Christ was vandalised. Police say that the incident occurred on the intervening night of Saturday and Sunday at the Holy Redeemer Church in the city's cantonment area. In fact, cops have collected CCTV footage and spotted at least 2 suspects. A case has been registered for hurting religious sentiments. Meanwhile, in Gurugram, on the other hand, we saw some miscreants allegedly barging into Christmas festivities and chanting Jai Shri Ram as they stop festivities taking place on Christmas. In fact, they rush in, chant Jai Shri Ram slogans on the stage on Christmas Eve. This is what we saw in Haryana. Let's cut across now to Karnataka. We saw in Karnataka's Chikbalapura district, some miscreants allegedly pelted stones at a chapel on December 23rd. In fact, an FIR has also been registered in this case. We're looking at individual incidents that have taken place in different parts of the country where miscreants have barged in, tried to stop Christmas festivities and pushing for Jai Shri Ram chants, and in one case also vandalizing Jesus statue.
सुबह हमें सूचना प्राप्त हुई है कि इस तरह की किसी ने हरकत करी है यहाँ के, तो तुरंत जो है हमारे डीएसपी साहब, मैं, हमारे एसएचओ जो कैंट है, हमारी सीआईए टीम्स भी अब आ रही हैं सारी, तो आके हमने सीसीटीवी वगैरह यहाँ पे चेक करे हैं। तो उसमें जो भी युवक नज़र आ रहे हैं, शायद शरारत के उसमें किसी ने या रिलीजियस सेंटिमेंट्स को हर्ट करते हुए जो भी करा है, तो इसकी पूरी जांच करी जाएगी। जो भी कंप्लेंट हमें चर्च अथॉरिटी की तरफ से मिलेगी, संबंधित धारा में पर्चा दर्ज करा जाएगा, जांच करी जाएगी और जल्दी इनको आइडेंटिफाई करके राउंड अप करा जाएगा।
हमारा कल क्रिसमस का प्रोग्राम था और बच्चों का कार्यक्रम था, तो कुछ लोग वहाँ पे आए और उन्होंने आके हमें रोकने की कोशिश की। तो हमने उनसे बोला, अगर आपका प्रोग्राम बुरा लग रहा है तो हम प्रोग्राम को रोक देंगे, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है। तो उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं, हम तो प्रोग्राम देखने के लिए आए हैं। तो वो बैठ के देखने लग गए। उन्होंने चाय पानी भी वहाँ पे ली। उसके बाद प्रोग्राम चल रहा था, एकदम बीच में उन्होंने क्या किया, प्रोग्राम रोक के माइक को खोस के जो है और जय श्री राम के नारे लगाने स्टार्ट कर दिए। ऐसे करके उन्होंने उपद्रव किया। फिर जो है लेडीज थी वहाँ, लेडीज को बीच में तो छोड़ के जाना पड़ा और फिर वहाँ से वो सारी लेडीज वहाँ से आराम आराम से जो है हमने निकाली कि आप निकलो, क्योंकि कुछ भी हो सकता है, लोग ज्यादा थे और पता नहीं कोई हाथ छोड़ देता, तो अगर एक बार हाथ छूट जाता तो सबका ही हाथ छूट जाता, कोई रोक नहीं सकता था, हम भी नहीं रोक सकते थे।
Let me quickly cut across to Manjeet Sehgal joining us live. Manjeet, what's happened in Ambala is absolutely shocking. We see individual instances where the statue of Jesus Christ was vandalized. It was desecrated. In fact, they barged into a church and did the same. A separate event where Christmas celebrations were underway. There were a bunch of extremists there who barged in, chanted Jai Shri Ram. In Karnataka as well, you saw a similar situation where Christmas celebration in schools was stopped. In fact, stone pelting took place. This is scary and it's quite concerning. What action has been taken, particularly in Ambala, if you can take us through?
Well, Nabila, this is not an isolated case. 2 incidents have been reported in Ambala and Kurukshetra on the Christmas Eve. In Ambala, these 2 unidentified men entered the church between 12:30 and 1:40. They went, desecrated the statue, vandalized the church, also broke some lighting arrangements and came out of the church. Now the police has registered a case under section 295A for hurting the religious sentiments, besides other sections of the IPC, but these 2 accused are still at large and beyond the reach of the police. In second incident reported in Kurukshetra, members of Bajrang Dal forcibly entered a school premises where a Christmas program was being organized. They forcibly overpowered the mic and started playing Hanuman Chalisa. So in these 2 incidents, the police have registered a case, but none of the accused have been arrested so far. Nabila.
Right, Manjeet, we do know that this has become a huge issue. In fact, the police were forced to file a suo motu complaint, but clearly in the footage we see those miscreants who've tried to barge in and create a ruckus. In fact, even in those instances where people barged in to pelt stones at the church, it's very visible in the CCTV cameras on who were those people. Why isn't the police really initiating action, cracking down on those miscreants, only to send out an example that this is not done, it's illegal?
Well, police have assured the members of the Christian community whose religious sentiments were hurt, saying that they booked both the accused, but efforts are now being made to identify them. Police have said that after identifying the accused, they will be arrested and suitable action will be taken against them. In Kurukshetra as well, people have demanded action against the Bajrang Dal activists who had forcibly entered the school. Navila.
Absolutely shocking, Manjeet. Thank you very much for joining us with those details. We're looking at individual instances coming in from different parts of India. Ambala, Karnataka, two places where Gurugram, where instances where right-wing extremists have barged into premises of churches, vandalized the Jesus Christ statue, thrown stones at the church chapel, have stopped Christmas celebrations. Unfortunately, none of these instances have any arrests made so far.